Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. I know it's been a while since we last posted, but we decided to take a social media break. Also, I recently had abdominal surgery, so I've been focusing on resting and recovering. But I am feeling better, and so I wanted to share this pergola build, which was actually completed prior to my surgery. We're in the process of giving our backyard some updates, so consider this phase 1. The plan is to first build a pergola, and then Bernard will build an outdoor swing bench that gets attached underneath the pergola. We're also thinking of adding a deck underneath, which is something Bernard has always wanted. We used treated 4x6 lumber for the posts, which were inserted into 16-inch deep holes. You'll notice a lot of extra lumber being secured to the posts, and those were used to stabilize them and keep everything plumb. Next, Bernard poured fast-setting concrete mix and water into the holes. What's great about this particular concrete mix is it sets the post without having to mix the concrete, and it hardens in about 20 to 40 minutes. At this point, we realized the posts were too tall and would make the pergola very visible from our neighbor's backyard and from the street. So Bernard cut each post down to a more discreet height using a small circular saw. Next up were the beams, and for this Bernard used more 4x6 treated lumber and made many small cuts with his miter saw to easily remove a section in the lumber. He attached these to the posts using metal corner brackets. After the center beam was installed, we added 2x6 treated boards to the perimeter. These provided further support for the rafters as well as give a cleaner look to the build. For the rafters, Bernard used more 2x6 treated lumber, and each one was secured using some small metal rafter clips. While I liked the finished look of the rafters, after about a week we noticed a lot of warping. Bernard could have secured some horizontal strips across the top of the rafters, but that wasn't the look I wanted. So we decided to install them flat instead, and of course, all the screws used are meant for outdoor projects. Turns out I love this look way more than the original version. It appears more modern, which is my style anyway. Now don't get too attached to the natural pergola color because I do plan on staining it a solid slate color. Since both the swing bench and the deck will likely be brown, this contrast is very much needed. So stay tuned for that, but in our next video, Bernard will tackle the bench build. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.